From a mountain of gold to $1 million masterpiece, this is how the world's most luxurious watch is made. The journey of this luxury gold watch begins deep inside gold-bearing rock. Inside the ball mill, the raw ore is ground by steel media, transforming the coarse rock into the fine powder needed for luxury watch components. The filtration system removes unwanted processing material and collects the concentrated precious metal solids. Here we see the gold at its melting point, being stirred to remove the final impurities before casting into molds. After cooling, the bar is meticulously weighed and scanned to ensure the highest purity and consistency. The raw gold arrives under maximum security, passing through biometric checks before reaching the vault. The high-speed CNC spindle precisely mills the internal cavity of the gold case, preparing it for the intricate mechanical movement. The gold case is precision machined on a 5-axis CNC center. This ensures the integrated lugs and crown guards meet our exacting standards. The creation of a $1 million timepiece requires absolute precision. Notice the contrast between the mirror-polished bezel and the precisely brushed case side. The heart of the million-dollar timepiece begins with the meticulous assembly of the movement plate. The movement is placed inside this computerized timing machine, allowing our watchmakers to precisely adjust the microscopic regulator for perfect accuracy. The intricate mechanical heart of the watch is gently lowered and secured into the 24-karat gold case. Inside the million-dollar gold watch factory, the polished gold hands are installed one by one using these precision tools. The custom gold bracelet requires absolute precision, with each microscopic pin meticulously placed by hand before undergoing rigorous inspection.
From raw gold hidden in the masterpiece assembled by hand,